What's going on YouTube? It's xxr Matt. We're back on the xxr on this not so great day. You know, haven't been on the bike in about a week. All the hurricanes going on like Florida, Georgia. Here in New Jersey we just get the trickles of it, so thankfully that's why I like living in New Jersey. You don't gotta worry about that type of stuff really. Warm up the tires. It was literally pouring this morning and it stopped. And now we're on our way to a Los Goonies meet. You know guys, the other day I was thinking, like winterizing the bike, kind of watching some videos on that. And kind of doing some research. And I don't think I'm gonna not be on this bike during the winter. I mean, the last few winters have been no snow, rare salt. Like if there's salt on the road, this bike's staying in. But like, you know what I mean. So yeah, she might be outside this winter. Just gotta lay her up. Please do not go. Thank you. This mirror seems like fucked up. I guess that's better. Alrighty, let's go. But yeah, it's about like 60 out, cloudy, a little chilly, but having the helmet and the gloves and the jacket, it feels literally perfect. I'm not complaining. I mean, riding in 90-degree weather is just crazy, especially with all this gear. I mean, I don't have a crazy amount of gear, but I wear the jacket and the helmet and the gloves. Hopefully the tires are warmed up by now. Oh, it's super foggy. It's the only thing that's kind of killing me right now. Yo guys, is there anything you can kind of get for your helmet for like fog? I've seen a few things on like TikTok shop and you know online, but I don't know if any of that's good or if anyone has some recommendations. I don't know if, I know for cars you can get some stuff for like the windshield, but like can you put that stuff on your visor? That'd be pretty cool. Bike life baby. I missed you, it's been a week. I mean, I've kept myself busy that week, just working all day long. Editing some videos, making some videos. Well, not making, just editing the ones I already made. But you guys seem to like. Thank you for all your guys' support. I see the views, I read all the comments, try to respond, like. I see all the likes. Appreciate you guys, as always. Ooh, I could have went that way. Guys, I still haven't gotten down, like, downshifting. I've never really tried it. But just, like, the thought of doing it just seems like a lot. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So yeah, guys, we're on our way to a Los Goonies car meet. I did a Cars and Coffee today, and now this is like a sunset meet. If you know, you know. So we'll see if it's any good. The morning looked pretty cool. I mean, even with the raining, I saw like 2 bikes there. That was entertaining. But it was in North Jersey, now it's in Central Jersey, so we'll see if it's a different crowd or not. See what people are up to. Nice vet. It's hard to see with my foggy visor, but damn, can't really tell, but it looked like an older lady through my foggy visor. Maybe I gotta move up a little bit. Actually can't see. Literally can't see shit. I'm sorry guys, I gotta put this visor up. I really can't see, so if it affects my audio, it's my bad. Let's see, is this meat any good? There's definitely people. Yeah, it's cool. It's cool enough, I guess. It's pretty low key. I'm just bored. Bored as fuck. Ba-dum-bum. Ba-dum-bum-bum. Sure it sucked. Alright. So kind of as I figured, slow day for the car scene. The morning was busting, just right now, not really. So I'm gonna just head up out of here. Because I don't feel like being here. This shit's kind of ass. I think I had to go that way. I don't really know. This fog is crazy. Oh my god, this bike loves this cold air. I don't know if you guys heard that. The road here is still kind of wet. Through these puddles. Oh no, my tire's wet. It fucking blows. Bike. Why is it no pop now? The bike no pop. It's like semi-dry. This Texas mother trucker on the minivan's killing me, bro. So the other day, I don't know if you guys saw my other video and a few of my shorts, but I rode my uncle's Harley Sportster. It was 1250cc, and I gotta say it was pretty cool. Like, I don't know, like it was pretty cool to like ride a different type of bike. Like, this is obviously a sports bike, 600, and going on a Harley was pretty cool, you know. It was cool, like more relaxed, like you're literally sitting up, arms are like kind of calm position, feet are kicked up like you're on the couch and shit. And yeah, it was alright. And it was pretty quick too. That was my first time jumping a 1000cc bike. I didn't really do nothing in the video, we were kind of just chilling, but is it raining? Is it raining up here? It looks like it's raining up there. Oh yeah, hell no. I'm going home. Oh, it's fucking raining over this way. That's terrible. Fucking raining that way. Gotta clean you guys off too, you know what I mean? Gotta clean my GoPro screen and my windscreen. Don't pull out in front of me, brother. Yeah, I gotta go home. A little misty this way. Little misty that way. Ow. You guys hear that? They hit me in the head. I didn't actually feel it. Proof right now. The backing is open. Alright, my GoPro's not getting that wet. We're good. GoPro's not getting that wet. We're cool. We're hip. We're hip. We're hip. Definitely not the best weather to be riding in, but I was feeling that itch. Just want to get on the bike, throw it around a little bit, you know. Sorry, Randy. It wasn't like this over there, all the fucking mist and shit. Sorry. I hope the GoPro looks good. Yeah. There's no point of opening it up, we're about to be out. Very nice. Can't even fucking see. We got a Grommer and a Harley, brother. I seriously cannot see out of this fucking helmet. How do the Harley motovloggers do it? Like, they wear half helmets and sunglasses. Where do they put their mic? Oh, it sounds so good. God damn. God damn. She sounds amazing right now. Off-roading a street bike, very nice, very nice. Yo, I can't even, I'd be lying if I said I could see right now. Hui, yeah. Hui. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and for all you new subscribers and people showing support, appreciate you guys. See you in the next one. Adios.